Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Sosovalue season 2 update, $30 million Sosovalue season 2 airdrop in January Q1 2026. So if you see me talking about this project, that means there is something in this project you need to understand. Like I said before, if you're farming this project, you need to take it extremely serious. And if you're yet to start, you still have time to join this project. Locate the link in the video description. Just be consistent. January 2026, we are going to chop big USDT in this project. Those that farmed the season 1, they knew how much they made in that season 1. So you must make sure that you are active. Do the necessary thing you need to do so that you can qualify for this airdrop. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can join our WhatsApp group or Telegram channel for high value updates. So here, the first thing you need to understand is you must meet it up with the eligibility criteria, which is not something that is difficult. You must at least reach level 2. Minimum for you to qualify for this airdrop is level 2. Once you reach level 2, you are good to go. And to endpoint that will take you to this level 2 is not all that difficult. Now, this is the daily task. And this is the starter pack. And before, last week or thereabout, they had bonus tasks here, which will also help you. So if you make use of the bonus task last time, it will help you to accumulate more points. So the only task you need here is to be on a daily check-in and you do the daily task. The daily task is very simple. This is to just to like this task. Just to like them on Instagram, like their posts on X, like their posts on TikTok, you like their posts on X, and you watch their YouTube video, you share, and you are going to receive sometimes double of the required SP S2. You're going to receive the task. So what are you waiting for? So it is very easy just to click on this like button here. Once you tap on this like button, it will take you to either X post. Just come down here and like. Once you go back to your main account. You will now wait for the countdown. So once this countdown finish, you are going to claim your reward. Very, very simple. If it is to like their TikTok, click on this. It will take you to TikTok. Like it on TikTok and come back and claim your reward. As simple as that. It's not difficult. You watch their YouTube video and you earn 3,000 ESP. So once you watch it, you come back, you wait for it to count down, you claim the reward. Very, very simple. This is what you need to do to accumulate more points before Q1 2026. And another thing you need to understand is that you must make sure that you have connected your wallet. Your EVM wallet, you must make sure you have connected it. So once you have performed the task, you come back here and click it. It's very, very simple. See? So it is very, very easy to do your task, do your daily task. If you go to the starter, you also do it. You buy this, you install the desktop version, and you are good to go. So to connect your wallet, like I said, you click on these 3 lines. So once you tap on your profile, you come here, you click on this edit button. So you can now see that you need to fill in all these things here. One is your email. You must connect your email. You must also input your phone number. You must input your phone number. You link your Google. You link your Telegram and you link your S. And the most of all is your EVM wallet. You are going to use any of the Web3 wallets, MetaMask, Source wallet, Biscuit wallet. Just click on connect and it will take you to the app whereby you connect. It's very, very easy. So go and connect your wallet and get ready, and in everything be active. 2026. This is going to give us a new year. In fact, we are going to use Sosovalue to celebrate our new year, so do not joke with it. So that is it for this video. If you have not started, like I said, look at the link in the video description. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.